Good evening po, ma'am. Ang i-report po namin ngayon is ang Aslagan TBI. So, ayun. Aslagan TBI means po is Technology Business Incubator. I-present ko po siya. Ang pangalan ko po ay Mark James A. Dizon. And ang partner ko po is si CJ M. Mariano. So, mag-umpisa po muna tayo sa owner. The DOST-TSU Aslagan Technology Business Incubator is not privately owned. It is an institutional facility of Tarlac State University in partnership with the Department of Science and Technology. It is managed under TSU Office of Innovation and Business Development and led by project managers like Assistant Prof. Aldrich G. Laksamana. So, yung sa yung Aslagan po is parang hindi po siya hindi po siya talaga, wala po siyang may-ari. Inano lang po siya ng buong TSU po talaga. And yung leader po is si Prof. Aldrich. Next. So, pumunta naman po tayo sa background nito. Or sa history. Ito po yung initial planning. The incubator was first conceptualized under the working name TSU Talahib, Technological Advancement for Livelihood and Holistic Innovation for Food Business. Renaming and approval. Following proposal, defenses backed by the DOST Philippines Council for Industry, Energy and Emerging Technologies Research and Development. It was officially renamed Aslagan, a Kapampangan word meaning sunrise or to be light. Ayun. So, dumako naman tayo sa kanyang official launch. It was formally launched on July 24, 2023. Nag-launch po siya 3 years ago at the Lucinda campus of Tarlac State University, making it as the first DOST PCIEERD funded by TBI in the province of Tarlac. So ayun lang po yung background niya at itutuloy po ni CJ Mariano yung sa evolution po. Thank you po.
Good evening po, I'm CJ Mariano po. At ngayon po, i-discuss ko about sa evolution. Evolution. It now operates under TSU Technology Business Incubation Department, assisting micro-entrepreneurship, food businesses, and local enterprise with regulatory compliance, R&D, and commercialization. Ang evolution ng Aslagan TBI ay paglipat nito sa ilalim ng TSU Technology Business Incubation Department. Ngayon, mas nakatuon ito sa pagtulong sa micro-entrepreneurship at local business, regulatory, compliance, research and development, at R&D at pagbuo ng produkto para sa merkado. Next page po is how Aslagan TBI works. The DOST TSU Aslagan Technology Business Incubator or Aslagan TB at Tarlac State University helps local startup owner, micro-entrepreneurship and innovator build and grow businesses, especially in the food technology and manufacturing industries. Support startup, provide resources, training and workspace to turn food and manufacturing ideas into real production, offers mentorship, gives entrepreneur expert advice and business planning, product development, and scaling operation, assist with compliance. Help local businesses secure regulatory needs like Food and Drugs Administration or PDA, license, certification and product registration so they can sell and export. Boost the local economy, build a community or innovators to grow the startup ecosystem interlock at in the region. Ang Aslagan TBI po ay tumutulong sa mga negosyante na gawing tunay na negosyo ang kanilang mga idea sa pamamagitan ng training, resources, mentorship at tulong sa mga permit at certification. Layunin din po nitong palaguin ang negosyo at ekonomiya ng mga komunidad. Okay, next po.
Okay, yun. Dito po naman sa page na to ay pinapakita po yung mga pictures ng mga starting or nagsisimulang mga entrepreneurship na pinopromote ng TSU or pinapalago ng TSU Aslagan. Ayan po, makikita po natin sa mga picture. Ayan po, kung ano po yung mga na-accomplish. Yan.
Yun lang po
Next
para
page
sa report
is
na
thank
to.
you po.
Thank you po.
Follow and
Please
subscribe.
like and share and subscribe po.